Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create a new document in Google Docs. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is navigate to docs.google.com, or you can search for Google Docs into the Google search engine or any other popular search engine, and you should come right up with it. As long as you have a Google account, you may have to sign in, and then you should be able to access Google Docs. So where it says start a new document, where it says blank, just go ahead and click inside of there. And then at this point, go ahead and type in like a normal Word document or another word processing suite that you might be familiar with. And you can just type in whatever you want. You also probably want to give it a name up here at the top to give it some sort of way that you can search for it and recognize it down the road. So most documents by default are named untitled document. Just click inside this field where you hover over it, it actually says rename. And then you can type in a custom name in here and then just hit enter to save that. And then once you're done with that, you can also move it to a folder by selecting the Move button. If you have other Google Drive folders saved in your account, you can move them. But this is supposed to be a pretty simple tutorial, so we're just going to go back and select the Docs Home button up here at the top left to just go back to our main Google Docs page. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.